What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to activate a Steam key or a Steam game. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your Steam app. Then what you have to do is to go to bottom left of Steam app and you will have here the option to add a game. You're gonna click on it and now you have to choose from add a non-Steam game, activate a product on Steam, or browser the Steam store for games. We're gonna click on activate a product on Steam, and here we are going to write our key. I don't have a key, but for the sake of this video I will write this, and what we want to do now is to confirm. And if your key is valid, you can add the game that you bought in your library and you will find it right here. So guys, this was the tutorial. Don't forget to like the video and thanks for watching.